A new incredible series is being birthed here by me on this channel. It's called the Goddess Collection Series. It started when I was in the process of creating the piece that you now see on the screen. I created this beauty for the Fluidstock Flower Child collaboration. And though I titled her Flower Child to stick with the theme, she really kept seeming more of a goddess to me. I had this sense of her, this goddess impression, early within the painting process, and I was already shaping the notion of creating a theme of goddesses that I would present and bring forth by combining acrylic pouring fluid art techniques and embellishing them with brushwork. Next came Lady Liberty, the dramatic emotional piece that had been in my mind to achieve for a year, and finally came to fruition very recently. Lady Liberty also emanates strong goddess vibes, at least to me, and this added to the growing intensity inside myself to come forth with this goddess theme now, within my artwork, and for your viewing pleasure. This leads to my first official creation within this new collection. I had set out purposefully to create her hair to look like the ocean. As she unfolded, I kept thinking of Tara, of the channel Pieces of Tara Artistry, as Tara often does blowout pour techniques in the color palette of the oceans and the seas. And so I've titled this goddess accordingly. The full creation video of her will be premiering tomorrow evening in the Eastern Time Zone. Upcoming goddesses have already been sketched out, and other goddesses are already dancing beautifully in my mind. There are so many lined up just waiting to burst out through my hands in the creation across the canvases. And with Tara, Goddess of the Sea, the series has been officially born. After Tara, who will be named next? Be sure to find out. Subscribe if you are interested in seeing those, and click the bell so that you get the notification.